You won't believe this? This dessert in a cup is so quick and easy. In a bowl, start by adding 3 200-gram boxes of heavy cream. Next, add a 395-gram can of condensed milk. I'll use a packet of Tang juice mix in passion fruit flavor. Now, using a whisk, mix everything thoroughly. If you prefer, use a mixer or blender. It's up to you. And there you have it, folks. It's the perfect consistency. If you mix longer or let it rest, it'll thicken even more. Set this aside. In another bowl, mix 200 grams of melted chocolate with 200 grams of cream for our ganache. Now pour all of our passion fruit filling into small cups. I'm using 200 milliliters low cups, but you can use regular ones or even make a tray. Next, simply top it off by adding all the ganache. After adding the ganache, just refrigerate it. Check it out, folks. This dessert looks amazing. Try it at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. It's a super quick, easy, and delicious recipe. I hope you all enjoyed it. That's another recipe from Pobre na Cozinha. Sending you a big hug. See you next time. Thanks, everyone.